we call this saung. And then Indonesian go eat, take off their shoes, and then like like this.
With our hands.
Eat your hands.
With our hands.
You say we eat our. Iya kedengarannya eat our hands.
With.
So funny for everyone.
With our hands.
Eating with our hands, not like spoon.
Or
Yeah, chopstick.
and there's
Sometimes there's monkey in the sound.
this is the real monkey. Show.
Shira.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
Anda.
Promotion and house. This place is one of the best when autumn, yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're at the Seoul Forest. This is the best place if you guys want to see a view of the fall season. It is so big, and I think it's like a photo place.
Yeah,
There's
so
many
pretty.
spots, so pretty. You can walk around, and it's like very refreshing.
Yeah, there is many leaves.
That's fall.
This place is also recommended for couple.
Yeah.
Again,
Like a
A lot
director.
of couple here.
Like a
Korean drama.
It's okay. We're a couple too.
Yeah.
We're a couple. We're a couple. Don't worry.
We see a lot of pohon kerontang here.
Ya,
I like
karena musim gugur ya.
I like the red one.
Yeah, we
It's
saw
so
like
aesthetic.
a red leaves that's still in the tree, and it's so beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
And then and then there's a tree that has like yellow flowers, but it's like alone, and the others are still green. It's like alone. Help me, I'm alone.
Because in Indonesia we don't have
Yeah.
tree like this.
We don't have autumn and we don't have winter, so this is like an experience.
We only have 2 seasons.
We have forests in Indonesia, but there's no leaves fall
Yeah,
because there's no
yeah,
autumn.
there's no autumn. It's only like the forest is always like green,
Green.
yellow.
But we have a lot, especially in Bandung, because there's a lot of mountains.
parks. Yeah, we have a
Lembang,
lot of forest and parks.
everything.
Bandung.
Bandung.
Yeah, we have a lot.
It's exactly the same. We have like deer too.
Yeah.
We have deer and we can feed them.
And sometimes it's camping ground. There, yeah.
Hi guys, now we're at Hangang River. This is a famous place here in Seoul. It's like where younger people go play, eat, and date.
Or go with friends.
Yeah.
Like talking or deep talk.
Yeah, because there is like a famous ramyeon making here that you can buy and eat on the spot, and it's a really great view, like you can see. Wow. But right now it's very windy.
Yeah.
It's very cold now, but at summer this is like a great place to hang out, just walk around, and even riding bikes. Me and Chelsea ride bikes across Han River once.
Yeah.
It was fun, right? Yeah, so if you guys visit Seoul, this is a definitely must visit place. Hi guys! Now we are going to eat dinner.
Yeah.
We have
Hangang Park.
we have chicken, we have pizza, and ramyeon. it's like
Last but not
a unique things here.
Yeah.
So
It's a must.
yeah, it's a must to eat in Han River, and they have like this machine to boil the noodle. So and it tastes different if you eat it here. Like if you eat it at home, it's like, but if you eat it in Han River, it's like 진짜 맛있어. This chicken name is 통닭.
통닭.
오.
통닭.
뭐예요?
통닭.
오, 오케이, 잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Let's eat.
Let's eat the ramen.
아직
It's really good, guys.
근데 이거 진짜 맛있어요.
진짜. It's like the backpacking Indonesia, but it's like a chicken one, yeah.
ayam panggang gitu.
Kayak
yang digantung.
Kayak makanan tapi makanan di sini tapi kayak panggang aja gitu pokoknya.
It's really good. Suka banget sih kita. It's really, really, really cinca.
Sheila. Ambil four.
Abel. Chelsea Ford.
Chelsea. Keisha four. Keisha. Chelsea three. Chelsea. Ambil three.
Abel. Sheila 2.
Sheila. Chelsea four. Chelsea. Sheila four. Sheila. Ambil four.
Abel. KJ 4.
Keisha. Ambil three.
Abel. Chelsea 2.
Chelsea.
Wah, good job. Keren banget kamu.
Four marshmallow.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Woo. 5 marshmallow.
Five marshmallow.
5 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Han River is like always the best healing place for Korean people. I
Or
think.
like-
For
We
friends,
already
couple,
have
family.
our quality time here.
Yeah, as you can see, we played like Indonesian game and then Korean game,
And then eat
yeah, and we ate.
ramen.
Now we are so full.
Yeah.
Tabula.
We're gonna sleep well tonight. Yeah, it's very fun. I love today.
Yeah, we love
Great
We love
experience.
We love
Okay.
experience.
Yeah, amazing experience.
Oh, bulannya naik.
Oh, and you can see there's a moon. It's like a big
Pretty.
moon.
So pretty.
The moon is so pretty. I love it.
Before it's red.
Yeah,
But right now it's
Yellow.
like kind of yellow.
Yeah.
do you know there's the moon and the star?
Oh,
Woohoo. And there's the sky view. Yeah,
We really like
Yeah,
night
and we
here.
really
yeah.
We really enjoy it.
It's not scary at all because there's a lot of people. And it's like a very safe place if you just want to have a picnic at night. Yeah.
Or
maybe
feeling if you feel kind of sad, broken heart.
Yeah, go cry and see the river.
we don't want to go home.
Oh, yeah.
We love Han River so much.
think
Let's
we're
stay
gonna
here
sleep
forever.
Yeah, good for
And
you.
it's very nice, like sky gazing, not stargazing, but sky gazing.
blanket.
Yeah. We
We're
love Han
gonna
River
sleep
so much,
here.
so we're sleeping here tonight, guys.
Yeah.
Go camping, kaja.
Camping.
Okay, thank you
Okay.
guys for watching.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to give a like.
Comment.
And subscribe.
And share, don't forget to ring the bell. Bye bye.
Annyeong. Dadah.
Okay, let's start closing.
Okay.
Closing.
Closing. We go home after this.
집에 가자. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Seriously.
Yay!
We don't want to go home.
Okay, cut.
집에 가자. 집에 가자.